How to buy JIZZCOIN, the JIZZCOIN token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on the X accounts, and they have also a Telegram channel. Just go and visit it. Now, this token is available in the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. So this token is increased by 500% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity is 100% locked. It means that your investment in the safe place. So this token is under Solana network, as you can see. Now copy it as documents from here. Now open your Phantom wallet. Just click on swap, and now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token as you can see. Now click on it, and here enter how much you want to buy, and after that you will see how much you will receive. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure you read all of this information from here. Now after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back and switch the slip patch from here to be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy the JIZZCOIN token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.